We have a storm moving well off towards our west, moving into Illinois. It's weakening though, so that's good news. Overall, cloud cover across northeastern Ohio, pushing off towards the south, so we're seeing sunnier weather. That's also good news. I'm forecaster Brian Ivey, and I come bearing some good news. Cooler, milder weather, as far as I should say, less muggy weather. Temperatures in the lower 60s to mid 60s generally. Dew points in the lower 50s generally north, and closer to 55 to 60 across our southern areas. It's right now in the lower 70s temperature-wise in New Philadelphia. We're going to see this warm air push back into the area today as this cold front begins to sag off towards the south, and then much cooler air comes in tonight. That should be pretty cool and refreshing if you got a little bit tired of that mugginess across the area yesterday. The surface map shows that we do have that cold front streaming off towards the southeast, pushing across the Ohio Valley. Again, that will continue to sag on towards the south. We're going to have a cool day tomorrow as well, and then warmth will shove back into the region. We'll get back to above average temperatures here in just the next little bit. Severe weather was the story last night as we had some severe storms across the lakeshore counties move through and come down to the south, and they dropped some pretty decent hail, a lot of lightning and thunder, even a tornado warning prompted in Ashtabula and Trumbull County. No major reports of damage anywhere, but we did have a lot of heavy rain. As you could just see, a train of moisture really stream on through in Ashtabula and Trumbull County, and that is what prompted a flash flood warning. Definitely some flooding in basements there, but it is sunny here today, which is good news for any kind of cleanup. Definitely a mostly sunny sky. I could see a couple shadows there from the Akron Library in downtown Akron. Forecast here now, let's take a look at the almanac first. 77 degrees the average, or I should say the temperature yesterday, 71 the average temperature, 89 the record set back in 1911. Trace of precipitation yesterday at Cleveland Hopkins, but as I mentioned, Ashtabula, Trumbull County saw anywhere from about 2 to 4 inches of rainfall in other areas, seeing a decent amount of rain that got thunderstorms. But today, it's going to be nice. You can't really complain too much. We'll remain with mostly sunny skies. Dover, New Philadelphia has the best chance to get up in the lower 70s. Otherwise, I think a couple degrees within 68 should generally do it for everybody else. Cooler near the lakeshore, so maybe more towards the middle 60s and lower 60s if that northwest wind can be persistent enough. Partly cloudy skies, cool, comfortable throughout all of northeastern Ohio tonight with a low temperature of 51 degrees. Lots of lightning and thunder was definitely the scene last night. This is from Berg Hill, Ohio. You could hear almost just constant rumbles of thunder throughout this video, and this was taken in the pitch dark, and look at how often these flashes of light are. Definitely an impressive sight, and we had some vivid lightning pictures all across northeastern Ohio. I'm going to show you two of them from downtown Cleveland right now. This is taken from Jeffrey Strop. Look at this picture. I think it is a beauty indeed. The Cleveland skyline here and this very nice vivid lightning strike. Our next picture also comes from downtown Cleveland, and it is from Nick Eberhardt and from the eastern side of Cleveland near CSU. Look at that, a lightning strike striking the Key Tower building. Pretty impressive there. Just a ton of lightning with the warm, humid air that we had in place. An unstable atmosphere a lot of times does mean a lot of lightning when you get storms rolling through the area. 7-day forecast now. Let's take a good look at that. 65 degrees, the coolest day of the next week on Friday. Partly cloudy skies, and then 49 degrees, nice and chilly there Friday night into early Saturday before we warm up nicely as warm air takes hold again. Mostly sunny, 72 degrees, a nice ridge of high pressure for Memorial Day weekend. Sunday, 77 degrees, mostly sunny skies. And you know what? I made some changes to the Memorial Day forecast, and I think you're going to like them. I took those storm chances out. It's going to be mostly sunny, 81 degrees, picture perfect there. The storms will though arrive Monday night and Tuesday, 83 for the high Tuesday, scattered storms, and then as we go into Wednesday, 79 degrees, so still staying pretty mild and mostly sunny skies in place. Overall, a much drier, sunnier, very nice looking 7-day forecast. I'm forecaster Brian Ivey. I hope you have a good one.